1969, the year Ford unleashed the Mach 1 and changed the Mustang game forever. This particular '69 Mach 1 arrived at All Speed Customs in Muskegon Heights, Michigan, looking tired, faded, and long past its prime. But underneath that worn-out skin sat the bones of something legendary. The team at ASC stripped this Mustang down to bare metal. Every panel, every seam, every inch of this body got the full treatment. Rust was cut, metal was shaped, and the car was rebuilt from the ground up on a rotisserie to ensure nothing was missed. Once the bodywork was dialed in, it was time for paint. And not just any color. BASF Glasurit Acapulco Blue, a deep, rich metallic that Ford offered back in '69. Laid down in multiple coats, wet sanded and buffed to a mirror finish. That flat black hood with the shaker scoop, pure Mach 1. Underneath, a full Ridetech Street Grip suspension system replaced the worn-out factory setup. New control arms, coilovers, and sway bars give this Mustang the kind of handling it never had from the factory, while keeping that classic muscle car stance. The interior was restored to match, with the original style gauges, black upholstery, and that iconic three-spoke steering wheel bringing the cockpit back to life. From a tired survivor to a show-stopping Acapulco Blue Mach 1, this '69 Mustang is proof of what happens when a world-class shop puts their hands on a true American icon. All Speed Customs, where legends get reborn.